Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great simple chair yoga moves, great for seniors and elderly. Now, first things first, I'm just going to place my feet onto the floor, and you want to spread out your toes if you're not wearing any trainers or slippers. And then we're going to place our hand onto our core and just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that core, that engagement. And then you just want to take your shoulders, give them a few rolls back, and then just set them into position. Also making sure that your head is nice and straight, as if there's a piece of string literally going up into the ceiling, if you like, keeping the back nice and straight. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to take our hands and raise them up all above our heads and come back down. And let's do this 8 times. 2, 3, remembering to hold your core and keeping your back nice and straight as much as possible. 5, 6, it's really good to stretch overhead, as we don't usually use this movement in every day. And come back down. And taking our hands, we're interlocking our fingers and coming literally inside out, and just give a really good stretch. If you like, you can slightly bend your head, stretching the shoulders and also your palms, your hands, your fingers. And then just gently come all the way back up overhead and gently come back down. Placing one hand onto the chair, we're going to take the other hand and breathing out, bending to the side, and you should feel a lovely stretch on the obliques here. Coming back up and then to the other side, breathing out, breathing in, coming up, breathing out. And let's do this again 8 times on each side. Remembering to breathe out as we bend over, in as we come up. For 3, 4, and you can do these exercises, yoga exercises, whenever you like, morning, evening, during the daytime. They're nice, light and gentle, but obviously just go as far as you can. Don't overstretch, you can always build up to this. And 2 more on each side, gentle stretch, breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. So now just roll the shoulders back again, and we're just going to do a gentle twist. So placing one hand onto the knee, the other hand onto your chair, just breathing in, and as you breathe out, just slowly twist to the side, nice and gentle. Come back up, and then to the other side, placing a hand onto the chair, the opposite hand on the knee, breathing in. Nice breath through the tummy, and then breathing out. And gently come back up. Now, obviously, if you don't have any neck issues, you can do this, and be very careful and very light. So breathing in and just very gently breathing out, and just bending our head, our neck in a downwards motion, coming gently back up, breathing in and breathing out, and just lifting up and then back. Breathing in and then just breathing out, and just slowly turning the head to the side and then back the other way, breathing in and breathing out to the other side and come back. So now we're going to just take our foot and let's just do some round circular motions one way with the ankle. And then the other way, releasing any tight tension within the ankle and the foot. And then just gently place back down, placing the other foot in front, and then again, just going one way, round circular motion, and then the other. And then just gently come back down. And then placing our hand to the side and just lifting the knee up and then down, and then on the other side. If you like, you can hold on to your core. And again, we do this 8 times on each side. So now we've now done 3. And try to keep still. You don't have to go too high up. Just go as far as you can. Obviously, you don't want to be overstretching. Remembering to breathe, nice and gentle breaths. And one more on each side, lifting up and back down again. And then just shake it out with the feet. Get some blood flow, circulation into those legs and those toes. And then we're going to take our foot out, and then we're going to come to the side if you can, and then come back, and then to the side. Let's just do this 8 times. For 3, remember to keep straight ahead, core nice engaged. 4, 5, 6, 7, and last time 8 on that side. And gently come back down, and if you like, give it another little shake out, and then placing our hands onto the side, lifting our knee up, our leg, and coming back for 1, 2, and only go as far as you can. Even if it's just that, that's fine. 4, 5, straight ahead, holding the core. 7, and last time 8, and just come back, and again, just give it a little wiggle. So now with our arms, we're going to place one hand out, come across our chest, and you want to take your other hand and place it either between the fingers and the elbow, or between the elbow and the shoulder, and just gently breathe in and just look the other way. Come back up, and then cross hands again, placing a hand across the body again, making sure you're not touching any of the bone, sort of your elbow or your hand, so either in between or on the other side. Gently breathe in, and then just turn the other way. Obviously, you don't want to be straining your neck. And gently come back, and then we're going to take our hands, come forward, bending forward as much as possible, and then coming back. Let's do this 8 times. Lovely stretch of the back. 3, obviously just go as far as you can. 4, again, you can always build up. 5, and obviously if there are any more exercises you want to do and you actually want to spend more time on, feel free to pause the video and spend a bit more time if there's a particular area. And 2 more. And gently come back up. And again, just roll the shoulders in a backwards motion, nice round circular motions, then coming forward and then back the other way for 2, just to reset the shoulders into place. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time that I'm uploading. And also please comment down below if there's any other issues you have, and tell me if you prefer this yoga or if you prefer weight training, and I will actually look at those and perhaps do another video on something that you would recommend. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.